What's up, beautiful people? How are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jenifer Nadi channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, please kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. To my returning subscribers, I always appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Guys, today's video is going to be DIY. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make carrot face cream, glowing carrot face cream, or you can call it whitening cream. Anyone that suits you, you can call it. So guys, I will be using coconut oil. You can still use shea butter if you prefer, but I prefer using coconut oil. Then I'll be adding a little of glycerin, then drop of essential oil. Then I have my bottle, my container. I will be putting it later. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, I have my pan here. I'm just going to pour some coconut oil on my pan. Then I will add my carrots. So guys, my carrots and my oil is steaming already. I will leave it for a few minutes to steam. Okay guys, I just have to bring it down from the fire. Can you see that, guys? Check out the carrot oil. So guys, this is the carrot oil we got. So I need to put it in the freezer so it will be solid for me to work on. So guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is how our carrot cream came out. So after I leave it a few minutes in the freezer, so I'm just going to beat it with my mixer so it will be fluffy. Guys, I'll continue beating it till it will be fluffy. Okay guys, I just need to add my serum. Sorry, my glycerin. A spoon of glycerin. Then I'm going to be adding just 2 drops of my essential oil. So guys, I'll continue beating it all mixed together. Okay guys, I'm going to be adding it to my bottle. Okay guys, our face cream is ready to be used. Guys, just check it out. This is the result. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, kindly like and share with your family and friends. See we see in our next video. Bye bye.